even sure she would notice if I take one.
Stella, drop it.
Please now, let me take one for the last time. I promise to buy it next month.
Oh, I've heard this line before. You've been promising this since last year. Why not just buy yours already?
I will buy, just that yours feels so different each time I take it. You know, it makes me feel so good, calm, relaxed. I mean,
That's nature by Nurtura for you. It helps you heal from inside out.
I should take it, Abby. Baby. Come, let me give you a kiss. Please. Come now. Thank you. This product is something else. What's their website again?
Oh, I'm actually on their website. It's naturebynurtura.com.
Okay.
Yeah, and you can also send them a DM on any of the social media platform.
Oh.
Nature by Nurtura, and they also deliver within Nigeria and in Ghana. So yeah,
Amazing.
buy your own.